Has grouting of anchor bolts been a tedious task because you simply could not find a grout which has a higher strength and is non-corrosive to protect your steel plates? Or have you ever tried patching a crack in the wall and no matter what you have done, you have never been able to get the repair mortar to dry without unpleasant crack lines? Tokyo Superfix non-shrinking construction repair grout is an optimum solution for various grouting applications in the construction industry. It consists of cement, graded aggregates, and specially formulated additives blended in modern mixing plants that assures the consistent quality of the product. The product's high early strength, non-shrinking, flowable, chloride-free, and high durability properties can be used for many grouting applications such as fixing anchor bolts, grouting under base plates, honeycomb repairing, columns and machinery bases, concrete crack repairing, and grouting of post-tensioned concrete sections. Tokyo Superfix complies with ASTM C1107 requirements and exhibits the expansion behavior under both pre-hardening and post-hardening stages. And what's more remarkable is that it is as simple as adding water and mixing to get a flowing, non-shrink grout. Now, let's look at how to prepare Tokyo Superfix. For this, you will need a bucket, a drill with a paddle mixer, trowel, a wire brush, a scraper, and a small grinder with a blade. To mix Tokyo Superfix, pour the accurate water content into a mixing bucket. For trowel application, pour 3.25 to 3.35 liters. For a flowable application, pour 4 to 4.15 liters. Empty the entire 25-kilogram bag of Tokyo Superfix gradually into the same bucket while mixing continuously, and continue mixing for 3 to 5 minutes until a smooth, lump-free grout is obtained. Once the grout is prepared, let's see how it can be applied. For concrete cracks repairing, using a grinder, prepare a V-cut along the crack and clean the dust by a vacuum cleaner. Wash the cracked area and remove the standing water prior to grouting. For horizontal surfaces, pour the prepared Tokyo Superfix grout into the crack under a flowable consistency. For vertical surfaces, apply the prepared Tokyo Superfix grout on the crack or patch under a trowelable consistency by using a masonry trowel. For grouting under base plates or machinery bases, clean the base plate and concrete surfaces properly. Remove all dust and fix the formwork around the base plate, maintaining the required thickness. After preparing the formwork, wash the concrete area to be grouted and pour the Tokyo Superfix grout using a headbox as per the instruction given in ACI 351 R99. For anchor bolting, if anchor bolt sleeves are to be grouted, sleeves, holes, and similar items should be cleaned of debris, dirt, and water by oil-free compressed air or vacuum. Concrete holes should be saturated with water prior to grouting, after which Tokyo Superfix could be poured as per the instructions given in ACI 1R99. For honeycomb repairing, remove any loosened aggregate, dirt, or debris from the area. Wet the cleaned area before applying Tokyo Superfix. Apply Tokyo Superfix on the cleaned area by using a flowable or trowel application. For horizontal surfaces, follow a flowable consistency, and for vertical surfaces, use a trowelable consistency. For pressure grouting for pre- or post-tensioned concrete structures, clean the holes to be grouted using a vacuum cleaner or with water. Finally, pour the Tokyo Superfix flowable grout into the grouting machine and initiate the grouting process. To pour a thickness greater than 4 inches, you would need to add 5 to 10 millimeters of clean aggregates to the Tokyo Superfix mix. The aggregates being added to the mix should not weigh more than 35% of the Tokyo Superfix mix. Once done, make sure to protect the fresh grout from direct sunlight and wind to prevent plastic shrinkage due to the loss of moisture. Damp curing is essential for at least 3 days to control the non-shrink properties and strength. Curing can be done by spraying water, ponding, or by curing compounds. When you use Tokyo Superfix non-shrinking construction repair grout, do not add extra cement or cementitious materials as it will alter the desired properties of the product. Do not retemper the Tokyo Superfix construction grout. Do not add plasticizers, retarders, accelerates, and other additives. And finally, use chilled water for mixing the grout in hot weather conditions. And there you go. Now you don't have to hide those cracks when you can simply fix it with the latest building solution in the market, which will save you from hours of anguish and provide you better results. Tokyo Superfix Non-Shrink Construction Repair Grout. Do it right the first time.